Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I last filmed. We'll get into why later. Today I'm going to be doing a NYX haul slash full face first impressions. So I have this nice full bag of NYX products. They had invited me to their store to come shopping and like share what was new in and just like what I picked up on my Instagram story. So that's why I have all this stuff and I haven't had a chance to try it out yet. So I thought today I would do a full face and try everything out and then share my thoughts with you guys. So I'm going to start with the haul portion. I'm going to show you guys everything I picked up and then we'll get into the full face first impressions part after. So the first thing I picked up is their matte finish setting spray, and when they invited me I knew this was going to be something I was going to pick up because I've used it in the past and really like it, and I'm definitely like running very low on it, so I grabbed this again. And the next thing I knew I wanted to pick up is their what's it called? I think it's the Control Freak Brow Gel. I think that's the name. They didn't have it in stock, so instead I picked up their tinted brow mascara in Espresso. Looks like that. I figured this was like a nice alternative I could use just like on those days where I'm running out the door and I don't have time to like do a nice brow, like still want to look put together. And then next up I grabbed their micro brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown. So I do my eyebrows in kind of a funny way. I use like a flat angle brush. Actually no, it's not even an angle brush. It's some old shitty brush that I use. I use that to pick up product off a pencil and then I do my brows, because like I don't know, the idea of putting a pencil straight to my brow kind of scares me. So actually yeah, I did pick up a angled brush from them as well, but I am gonna try this and try to do it straight from the pencil. Hopefully I don't end up looking crazy at the end of this video. The next thing I grabbed is the HD concealer in CW 6.7. I grabbed this for my mom and sister and they are lighter than me. The one I usually get, I found that like once I had repurchased it, I found that it was too dark because I do like my concealer like 1 to 2 shades lighter. So I'm gonna try this one out and see if this is the color that I should start purchasing. The next thing that I picked up is the Dark Circle Secret, and it's an orange pigment with coconut oil and china clay, whatever that is. I got this because I've never tried out a corrector and I really wanted to. The only thing I don't like right away about this is the packaging. Just when like you have nails, they don't even have to be that long, just scooping out product can be annoying. But anyways, we'll give that a try today and see how I like it. And the next thing I picked up is a single eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Frisky. It's like a burnt orange color, kind of matches my shirt actually. I thought this would be nice for just like a wash of color all over the lid, so I'm gonna try that out today and see how that goes. Next two things I picked up, oh I'm so excited about these, is 2 of their illuminating sticks. My sister actually grabbed one in the shade Pinky Dust. It's like a nice pinky coral color. And then I picked mine up in Sunkissed Crush, so it's more of like a gold bronzy color. I really like these. I literally swatched so many of them in the store just trying to pick out a shade, and they're just so pretty, so I'm really excited about these. The next thing I picked up was also for my sister. She grabbed the No Filter finishing powder in the shade Golden. I haven't asked her if she likes this, but she hasn't complained about it, so I'm gonna assume she does. Looking at it now, I'm like, oh, I don't know if this shade is gonna be the best for me because she's lighter than me, but I only ever do like a super light dusting of powder just for every day, so I think it should be fine. The next thing I picked up was the Epic Ink Liner. I used to do a wing liner like literally every day, but I just got off of doing that. So on the days that I do want to go back to that, I didn't have an eyeliner, so I thought I'd pick this one up. And the last 3 things are these. It's a Contour Pro single in the shade Hollow. Looks like that. I really do not like the packaging of this. I tried to swatch it and just like ended up scratching it. Like I get that it's supposed to be put in a palette, but I'm not using it like that, so it's kind of annoying. Yeah, like you can tell that's obviously like hard to like get at, but anyways, it's okay. The next thing is a soft matte lip cream in Berlin. I've wanted one of these for so long, but I've been stuck trying the shades that I've seen other people that are not my skin tone try out, and I'm like, oh, it looks so good, and then I try it on me and obviously it doesn't look right. So anyways, I finally found a shade that suits me and I love this so much. Final thing I picked up is their cleansing balm. I've tried it already. Looks like this. It reminds me of the Clinique Take the Day Off, but I haven't tried that one, so I can't really compare them. But first time I tried this, I really liked it. It took all my makeup off like super effortless. It easily took off my makeup. But the second time, I think like I might have put too much on and it was very hard to take off, like not my makeup, but the product. But hopefully by the time I post this video, I've tried it a little bit more. I can let you guys know my thoughts on it in the description bar, so check that out. But so far, so good. All right, so that's everything I picked up, so let's get started on this full face. So I'm gonna get started with the dark circle corrector. I'm gonna scoop a little bit of that with the back of my nail. I don't have like a tiny brush for this, so we're just gonna do it like this. In true YouTube fashion, I'm getting ready, but I have nowhere to go after this. I might just film another video, so we'll see. But yeah, so I'm just sitting here thinking like what to talk about during this video. I feel like people just like talk about their lives when they do get ready with me's, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend that out. So yeah, like I was saying, I just feel like people usually just like talk about their lives when they do these kinds of videos, so I will go ahead and do the same. So like I was saying, I was gonna catch you up on why I haven't filmed in so long. Well, you guys have basically missed like all of August because I last filmed in July before we moved. So yeah, that's like number one reason why I wasn't able to film, was because we were moving from our apartment to a house. When I say we, I mean my boyfriend and I. He bought a house and we moved out of our apartment. We are currently in a new build, so if you hear construction noise, that's why there's construction all over the area. I think we're one of like 4 people that have moved in on the street, so yeah, I'm sure there's construction people that can see me through the window and they're like, what is she doing? But yeah, so the move was quite hectic, so that took me away from filming for sure. And then literally right after, I think we got the house August 3rd, and then August 4th I went to New York for a week with my family. So that's blending really nicely actually. I used to love New York, like love New York when I was younger. Really up until recently, I don't know, like we went, and obviously it's summer, it's super hot. I don't know, the city is just so disgusting. Like, first of all, it's like garbage day every day in New York City somehow. And the streets just smelled like hot garbage, like disgusting. I remember at one point we were crossing a street in the city somewhere and I was full gagging because the smell was so bad. So I'm gonna go in with the HD concealer. But yeah, so it was so bad. I was like full gagging. And it's like, that's just not okay. Like, I don't know. And I came back and my skin was like freaking out. And I just blamed the hot garbage smell and the pollution in the city because it was just gross. But yeah, so anyways, we moved. Like the whole moving process took me away from filming. And then I was away in New York for a week. What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna try, yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna try the eyebrow pencil now. I bet you guys can't even tell that we moved because my background is like still the same. It's so plain. I think I want to get something up on the walls instead of just on the desk, so it's more interesting to look at. Like I'm kind of bored of it as well. Let me try this eyebrow gel. I don't want to put too much on since it's tinted and I want my brows to look crazy, but we're gonna put a tiny bit of this. I think I'm gonna just pop a little bit of this eyeshadow all over the lid with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with the liner. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a wing liner, but like I said, I haven't done this in a while, so let's see how it goes. So for not having done that in a while, I think it turned out pretty good. This wing is slightly thicker, but it's okay. I'm gonna move on anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and try the contour powder now, if I can open it without it exploding everywhere. Gonna use an angle brush. Oh, that's a lot. Now, I don't have a blush. I didn't pick up a blush from them, so I'm just gonna go in with my blush. I normally use the cream blush from Marcel in the shade Raspberry. Looks like that. I really like cream products because they like melt into your skin, and even though I have oily skin and it's not like the best, I just love the way they look. You can put them on and have them be so sheer, which is how I like it most of the time, but like really build it up. But I'm gonna keep my blush sheer today just because I have the orange on my eyelids. I don't want it to clash too much, so I'm just gonna do like a super light layer of. You'll probably not even be able to pick this up on camera, but there it is, a little bit of blush. I'm gonna go in with the highlighter next. Highlight is so pretty. I love it. I really love cream highlighters. I find that they just blend so much nicer into the skin. I only really use cream or liquid highlighters, and then sometimes like if I want to intensify it or set my highlighter, I'll throw on a powder on, but for the most part it's definitely liquid or cream for me. I'm actually gonna grab a brush and just put some of that in the corner of my eye. This is looking so nice. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to go tonight. I'm gonna finish my face up with mascara. I didn't grab one of their mascaras, so I'm just gonna use the one that I currently use, and it's the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I really like the brush of this, but I don't like it itself. I find that it runs, like I always have raccoon eyes by the end of the day, so I'm gonna go grab a primer. Alright, so I've grabbed my YSL primer. I don't want to talk too much about it in this video because I'm gonna talk about it in my next one, so you'll just have to watch that one. But yeah, I'm gonna do a quick coat of that, and then hopefully the Marc Jacobs mascara will last a little bit better. And then go in with the Marc Jacobs mascara. Alright, that's it for mascara. I'm gonna set my face with that powder. So I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish off with the setting spray. And then to finish off, I'm gonna go in with the Soft Matte Lip Cream. And I honestly can't say it enough. I love this color. So this is it, guys. This is my full face of NYX products. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I really like it. It's very fall and I'm not ready for fall, but I feel very like pumpkin spice right now. But yeah, I really like it either way. I think I'm gonna wrap up with my favorites. I think it's very obvious that my #1 favorite is gonna be the lip cream. Oh, the eyebrow pencil actually went really well. I really like the spoolie on the other end. I actually found it quite easy to use, so I'm gonna be normal now and do my eyebrows in a regular way. I also liked the tinted brow mascara. It's hard to tell like how much I love it because I had to use such a light hand because my eyebrows were already filled in. I didn't want it to be like too dark. Like I'll still have to try it without my eyebrows filled in to see how that goes, but so far so good. Last actually surprising favorite I think has to be the contour single, even though I still hate the packaging, but I found it easy to use. It blended super well. I don't think it's too harsh or like, super noticeable. I don't know how, like I feel like I need to find a way to make it easier to use just in terms of the packaging, but for now I like it. So yeah, that's it from me. You guys let me know what you think of this look. Give the video a like and of course subscribe. I feel so weird every time I say subscribe because would you forget if you wanted to subscribe? Like no, right? Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.